Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to show you my luxury jewelry collection. It is not big, however I think that it is truly nice, so I hope you bear with me till the end of this video, and without further ado, let's get started. I am wearing everything that I own right now just to show you on this video, so I want to start from the top. So here I have the earrings by the brand called Carrie Carrera. It was a Spanish luxurious brand which made absolutely stunning, beautiful, unique jewelry. I don't think that they exist right now. I don't know exactly what happened to the brand, and their website is shut down as well. Here are the earrings. As you can see, they are made in the shape of a dragon head with a diamond in place of eyes. I think that these earrings are very unique. I've never seen them on anyone, to be honest. Every time I wear them, I get so many questions, and people want to get a close-up to see what they look like because it's not quite obvious from afar. And I also love the dragon. I don't know what it symbolizes, to be honest, but for myself, so I've decided that these earrings would symbolize strength and luck. And next on my neck I have a very recognizable piece, obviously, by Van Cleef and Arpels. So this is a mother of pearl pendant in yellow gold, in vintage size, and despite it being very popular, very recognizable, many people in fact have it, and it is one of those pieces which you kind of dip your toe in if you want to get familiar with the brand. And it was my first piece by the brand. Nevertheless, I still love this collection. I think that it is a true classic and it is truly timeless. Next, I'll show you what I have on my wrist. So here I have a bracelet by Cartier, which is also very famous. It's called Justin Clou. And it is the small version, a daintier, slimmer version of the bracelet. Mine is in a rose gold without any diamonds. This is actually my favorite bracelet because it's so hassle-free, it's easy to style, it's easy to wear. I love the shade of rose gold. I think that it complements my skin tone. And here I have a bracelet by Van Cleef and Arpels. It is a 5 motif vintage Alhambra yellow gold and mother of pearl bracelet. As you can see, it is slightly big, and I've never had a chance to reduce the width of this bracelet, so that's why I don't wear it quite often, to be honest. And on my left wrist I have a bracelet by Cartier. As you can see, it is a small sized stainless steel and yellow gold Pentagre Cartier watch. I've decided to include my watches in this video as well, if you don't mind. This is my favorite out of the two. I'll show you the second one I have in a second. So the reason why I love it is because it's very dainty and it doubles as a bracelet as well. And the fact that it is made of two colors, yellow gold and stainless steel, it makes it even easier to style with other jewelry pieces. So let's move on. Here I have a ring by Carrie Carrera. As I said, it was a luxurious Spanish jewelry brand. So here is the close-up of the ring, guys. Let's see. It is made of yellow gold with 3 diamonds in the center of flowers. I would say that this ring is definitely a statement piece. I don't wear it quite often. It's in fact my evening jewelry for special occasions only, and the fact that the brand doesn't exist anymore makes this ring even more special and sought after. And on my right I have 2 rings which are my wedding band and engagement ring. So the first one here is a Tiffany setting, the very classic one with platinum and a diamond. I find that this is the most classic engagement ring there is, and it has so much history behind the ring. I love this ring a lot, despite the diamond size is not too big. It's a ½ carat diamond. I love it, and the fact that the history of engagement rings with a single diamond setting on the ring starts with Tiffany's setting engagement ring makes it even more special. And the next one here is a wedding band. It is by the brand called Boodles. It is a luxury jewelry brand, English brand in fact, and the reason why we got, and at the time when we were choosing wedding bands, we wanted something very classic, so straight away we've decided on plain yellow gold wedding bands, very traditional. And also we wanted a British brand, and the reason why is because my husband and I, we met for the first time in London. That's where we started dating, that's where we went to universities, and for that reason England holds a very special place in our heart. We obviously had a choice of going with other brands, so we've considered Cartier, definitely Tiffany, we considered De Beers, we went to all the stores. So this is the ring, guys. It is a very simple plain yellow gold bands. I don't wear this ring again very often because after pregnancy my fingers got a little larger. The ring is too tight now, so I now wear my Tiffany silver ring. I haven't actually included anything silver in this video, and I also haven't included any of my costume jewelry and another like fine jewelry without any significant name. So the last piece I want to show you is this watch by Chopard. It is called Imperiale. I love it. I love it a lot. I think that it is a very classic silhouette of a watch, very classic shape, just plain stainless steel with a black strap. Chopard is a Swiss brand which is very famous for its jewelry pieces and watches. I think that I believe they have accessories, different accessories. So anyways, I love this watch a lot. It is a quality piece, a classic looking watch you can never go wrong with. So that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. So bye bye and take care.